Hi, in this video I will show how to log in into your cPanel so that you can manage the email, you can create the email, and then you can change the password, you can do whatever you want with the account. So to log in into the cPanel, we will give you, once you have bought webmail hosting or email, website hosting or email hosting with us, we will provide you with the login link and then the username and then the password. So let's say if your domain is abc.com, then to log in into your website, you need to go to cPanel, cPanel.abc.com. So right now we use this URL, and then we go to that URL by pressing enter, and then you have to put the username and password. Right now I have already remember in the browser, so I just need to click login. And then after login, you will see this interface, but the interface can be changed depending on the version of the cPanel. So mostly as soon as after you log in, you need to change the password to your own so that you can remember easily, but it has to be secure. Okay, to do that, you can scroll to the bottom and then click the password and security, and then you can change the password, or you can also go to your user account and then click the password and security. It will lead to the same page. Okay, in here you need to enter the old password so that the system know you are the authorized user to change the password. To change the new password, I will just generate the new password here. Let's say if you like this password, and then you have to check this, and then you have to click use password. Then it has to be very strong. Okay, now it shows very strong, and then you can change your password now. Okay, that's how you change the password. And if you want to change the, let's say, interface of the language of this interface, you can scroll down to the bottom, click here, click at the logo, and then scroll down to the bottom and then change language, and then you can set whatever the language you speak and then click change. Okay, so this is these are password and the language changing. Okay, after that, most of the tools are advanced tools, but the main thing is you need to create the email, and then you might need to forward to other address like your Gmail or some other address that you use. Okay, right now we can I will show you how to create the email address. Okay, if you click here, and then you can create new email address if your domain is already assigned. Okay, right now let's say I will just create test and then generate the password. Okay, and then I will remember this password, and then in fact I don't have to remember the password because this video is about the cPanel, not about the webmail. Okay, so right now I just create the email, and then you will see your username, your email account here, and then you can check email from here. By checking the email, it will log into the webmail, which is another part of the you can watch that in webmail tutorial. Okay, but if you want to change the password, you can click manage and then change the password. And if you want to do more things, you can do it here. These are the allocated space for this account. You can allocate unlimited storage, but the whole cPanel account, let me show you, the whole cPanel account limit is set here. So it doesn't matter even if you set the limit here. Even if you set the limit here, it will just when the whole cPanel account limit is reached, it will stop working. Okay, you can no longer receive the emails. That's why you need to let's say if in that case, let's say you got 10 gigabyte and then you have 10 email account, then you need to if you want, you can give 1 GB per account. So if you have 10 accounts, you can allocate 10 GB of the space. But if you think, okay, whoever use more can have more space, if you think that way, you can just set the unlimited. Then if they use more, if they send more email, if they receive more email, they will use up more space. Okay, and then these are the restrictions. Most of the time you don't have to restrict, but it is self-explanatory. You can easily understand them. Okay, so these are not required, and then you can update the email setting. Once you update the email setting, the password, if you change the password here, generate, and then the password will be changed, or you can delete the account if you want. Okay, this is about the email. And if you want to forward to another Gmail address or another email address that you use, you have to go to logo and then click forwarders, and then choose the domain, and then you have to add forwarder, and then we have to write the email address. Right now we have test add the domain name, so that's why I'm typing test add domain name, and then forward to whatever address you want. Okay, you can type asf@gmail.com, okay, something like that. And then after that, right now, let's say if I use this address, click forwarder, add forwarder, and then whenever people send to this email address, okay, let me show you. Okay, so whenever people send to this email address, it will be forwarded to this email address. Okay, if you go back, you can see the setting here. Email address, whenever people forward to this address, will be forwarded to this email address. You can also trace means you can follow, you can check if the emails are forwarding or not. Okay, if you don't want to receive set up the forwarder anymore, if you don't want this forwarder anymore, you can delete that here and then delete forwarder. Okay, then go back, there will be no forwarder anymore. Okay, that will be all for now, because the rest of the tools and things are there for the advanced user. If you are advanced user, you might already know by yourself, or you can always check on the internet for more information, or if you really need help, you can reach out to us and ask for more detail. Okay, thank you very much.